Hey guys, Jordan here. Hope everyone is safe. Hope everyone is well. We're on a walking tour of Barangaroo in Sydney, near the city. Well, it's in the city. It is one of the most amazing places. Look there, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. People from America would love it here. It is Sydney Harbour Deluxe. It is water. It's nice gardens. It is fun in the sun. Fun for the kids. Walk, ride your scooter, do all that type of stuff, or have a picnic, family fun. So there we go, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. There's some good facts. That's the Sydney Harbour Bridge from the North Shore to the city that I get when I go to concerts and footy matches and things like that. A lot of people do it for work. So have a look at this. This is walking heaven. It wasn't even the best weather. It was only a bit sunny and a bit overcast, and it was amazing. Please like and subscribe to this channel. There's heaps of vlogs, so you'll love every single one. Chats would out soon. Also, at Jordan's Jokes, my jokes channel, if you want to hear inappropriate, silly, stupid humour. Very inappropriate, very silly. I say what I want, I say what I feel like, I do what I want. So it's really hilarious. Search it, JORDON, jokes. Comment, subscribe, let it grow. Comment down below what jokes you want me to say, or if you got any ideas. Also, if you can, pretty please, at the Pinball Junkie 93. As you can see there in the lower left corner, the Pinball Junkie, that's my pinball channel. If you like pinball vlogs, if you like pinball reviews and stuff, I got to meet Gary Stern. It was amazing. Also, there's a friend of mine called Chris. We've never met. He lives in the United States. He's also got a channel. He's really good. There we go. At the Chris Terminator 19. That's his vlogs. I hope you can help him grow. My Aussie fans become his fans. So as you can see, Barangaroo, it's a bit like the city meets the sea. I rate Barangaroo fun in the sun. It's amazing. It's 10 out of 10. As you can see, it's just crazy. It's a lot of money's been pumped in. There's the Staircase to Nowhere. That's been on Spanion and the other train vlog fellow. Sorry, I don't know his name. But yeah, they've pointed it out. It's pretty crazy. So here we go. Here's something that's very new and very useful. I used it to get here. It was Barangaroo Metro Station. That's the new metro train station. Here's some facts about it. It's pretty cool. It's so fast. It's so fast. You'll be just amazed. Look at that tower. I don't know if that's the Packer Tower or the casino or what it is. I've seen it before. So here's the cool wharf. It's not as good as the one at Sydney Olympic Park. Those are the facts. Here's some facts about Barangaroo. I didn't even know Barangaroo only started in 2007. It was called something else back then, but I can't remember what it was called. But yeah, my first memories of Barangaroo was in 2017. I had a job interview at Westpac with Specialist Stern. Didn't get the job, unfortunately, but it was pretty cool. So look at how good's this. Look at that view. And there's the water. Put your bread in the water and have a look at fish. Hopefully you don't get eaten by a shark. This new kid park. Oh, it's family. It's for, it's for kids, families, all ages. What I like about it is those equipment. There's that equipment in Chatswood Oval. I was there on today. So I've seen two in Sydney. When you don't see them around the northern beaches where I'm from. So here's a cool open air theatre, like a movie theatre. Open door bed cinema. I'm not associated with them at all. Happy to give them a plug. But yeah, not associated and I'm definitely not authorized. They haven't asked me to do so, or hopefully they don't get mad and say take it down. I don't think they would, but anyway. But yeah, Barangaroo and Darling Harbour's funny because it's the city, but it's nice. I consider a lot of the city dirgy and a bit crappy and businessy and but have a look at all these fancy smancies upstar or whatever it's called, up level restaurants, or for rich people. So here's some cool fun area. It's fun in the sun, but it's also fun. Food. It's a foodie's dream. Dream big, don't give up, eat well. That's what they say around here. Because there's just so many restaurants. It's just restaurants galore. I don't eat at restaurants because we're vegan now, and also it's a waste of money going out to restaurants when you can just eat food at home. So this is Barangaroo Wharf. This is how I went to Parramatta. After this, I went to Parramatta for the Indigenous All-Stars game. So that was really cool. A lot of stops, but that was alright. Absolutely worth it. So yeah, if you can come on a sunny day and it's not cold, it's not hot, you could just be blown away on how nice it is. Because I used to go to Barangaroo when I went to Drummoyne back in the day, but I don't anymore. So here's some cool facts. But yeah, don't use the ferries often at all. But yeah, up from Barangaroo is Darling Harbour, which I'll be doing a Darling Harbour vlog very soon. Probably before I go see Hatebreed or Baby Metal when I've got the time in March, before Knotfest. So here's my boat. I hope everyone likes my boat. I've got like dozens of them. If you want my boat, comment down below. I'll give you like half a dozen of these things. They're just crawling in my boat ramp. I don't need them anymore. Obviously, I'm joking. Far out. Imagine having all those boats. Anyway, guys, thank you for your time. Like and subscribe. Share your comments. Help it grow. Thank you very much. Take care.